All right, ladies, so I am going to show you how to take your Quizlet cards once you have your sets made and to put them into Canvas. I've already set up your Canvas courses for your kids, so they should be all ready to go for you to add the Quizlet cards. So here you can see I'm in my Quizlet account. I have my study lists right here. I'm going to choose this one here, which is just a word study that I got from Kathy Bloyd over at Morton Ranch. I'm going to open that study set. Okay, and here I have the list of all the different games that you can play, etc., etc. You're going to go to this button that says More. You're going to click the word Embed, and this box is going to pop up. Now, you don't need to copy every single one of them. You just need to copy one. I usually do this first one. I make sure I highlight everything in the box. It will begin and end with the words I frame and then this little character at the end. Make sure you have the whole thing. So I usually just copy it all and then I hit Control C to copy, or you can right click and copy. Okay. And now I have my Canvas open here at the top. I'm going to switch over to Canvas. And you can see here, I've made a pretend course. This is not actually Donna's course, but I wanted it to look exactly the same. So you will have one on yours. I renamed it with your first name, Science, because you're going to have one for math and one for science. So you're going to make sure you're opening the science one. Okay. If you can't see this on your dashboard, that is okay. It is still there. You're going to go to Courses. And then when it loads, you're going to hit All Courses. And again, you're going to find the one that has your name and make sure you put a little star by it. That star is what tells it to show up here on your dashboard. So again, you're going to open this course right here that has your name by clicking on the words. The first thing that you're going to see is this front page. Now, don't worry about this stuff up at the top. It's because the course is unpublished, and as soon as we make it available for students, that will go away. And you can see that I've already loaded what's called a module for you. It's called Quizlet Vocabulary Cards. All you need to do is click this gray plus. It's going to ask you, what do you want to add? So I'm going to use this drop down here, and I'm going to tell it to add a content page. And then we don't have any yet, so we're going to click this one that says a new page. It brings up a box down here to name it. So again, you're going to name it based on, I guess, I'm assuming you're doing these by unit. So I know we talked the other day about doing matter. So maybe your matter Quizlet or matter vocabulary. Okay. And then you're going to say add item. Now, that isn't finished yet. All you did was create the page. Now we actually have to put the Quizlet cards on the page. So I'm going to click the words matter vocabulary and wait for the page to open. Come up here to the top and click edit. And then I'm going to click this button right here that says HTML editor. And once you click that, you just click in this white box and you paste. So you can either hit Control V or you can do right click paste. And that code that you copied from over in Quizlet will show up here. Now you scroll to the bottom and you hit save and publish. And now you can see that the Quizlet cards are embedded here in Canvas. There's no ads, there's no anything. So they can come over here, and right now there are just, I think, on the actual flashcard, they can click to flip it. They can make it play. Oops. They can advance the different cards, go to the next cards, etc. They have some options over here, or they can go down here to the bottom and they can choose a study mode. And this does different versions of the studier, the scatter game, the learn, the test, flashcards, etc. Okay, so they have a bunch of different options. And that is how you embed your Quizlet cards into your Canvas.